Hi guys, I pray both you and your family are keeping safe from the COVID-19 virus. I hope you are doing well in virtual learning. I know it's quite challenging. Me doing it, it felt quite challenging, especially in my language classes. But today I'm gonna be teaching you how to play Roll and Spell, which is a fun game that you can play. But here is me unboxing a new pack of Roll and Spell. So first, let's go ahead and try to rip off the plastic. Okay.
Ready to go, you ready to do it?
Yes, this is quite satisfying. Just lay them over here. Okay. Well, here's what a new box looks like. Alright, and here is what inside of the box would look like. Slowly open it. I'm just slowly opening the box. I'm just slowly opening the balance box to make sure it doesn't rip or anything. Alright. We have it opened. These are the instructions of the Roll and Spell game. We have the point values of all the letters, the green letters, 2 points, purple letters, 3 points, orange letters, 5 points, and blue letters are 7 points. We have the color-coded board, and it has all the letters of the alphabet. Okay, we have the letter frequency color code, which shows the most frequent letters and the less frequent letters, which are X and Z. You can see that here. There's a lot of frequent and a lot less, coming more to the left. We have the 2 dice. We have the color die and the number die, which the number die is just more challenging because you have to pick a certain number of letters for each word you use. And the color die, which you pick what color letter you want to use. We have this timer, so your friends or you don't take too long figuring out what word or letter to use. We also have these cards that tell you which color gives the most points, the points per letters in one word, and the bonus points, which is used with the number die. If you were to, say, predict the color and predict how many times you were to get it, and if I were to say, I'm gonna roll green, or I will roll blue, so I wouldn't get the 3 bonus points from this card, so that would be nice, but it's still blue, which gives you a lot of points.
And what is that called? Is that the scoring card?
Yes, this is the scoring card. That's it right there.
Okay.
So this is how you would play this game. You shake the die or roll it, and I got multicolor. Multicolor is where you can pick any color on the board, which normally people would pick X and Z because they give the most points. So let's start with an easy one. X. We can spell X-ray, which would be spelled X-R-A-Y. This die, if you were to roll it, I got infinite, so I could have as many letters as I wanted to. If I roll again, 2 to 4, I can only have 2 to 4 letters. No more, no less. Okay. So once you pick your word, you have to spell it on a piece of paper. Here's some papers right here. Well, you would just write it down on a piece of paper. So I spelled X-ray. X-ray. So since I rolled multicolor and I picked blue, it says on the scoring card that blue gives us 7 points. So we would say 7 plus, okay, and word length. So if it's 2 to 4 letters, we gain 2 points. 5 to 8 letters, we gain 4 points. 9 to 12 letters, we gain 6 points. 13 to 16 letters, we gain 8 points. And 17 or more letters, we gain 10 points. X-ray only has 4 letters, so we would gain 2 points. So that would be 7 plus 2. We did not do any bonus points, so there's no need for that. And with all that said, 7 plus 2 would equal 9 points. So that is how you play the game. And you can play with your friends and family by just playing, and you could also learn words that you have not seen or known before, such as zombification. I learned that from my family members when they were playing with me, and it was quite a big word, which I can spell it for you. Zombification. They rolled the blue die. And they gained a lot of points from that because they gained 7 points already, and plus the number of letters that are in the word, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 letters. 13 letters. So that would be 7 plus, and since it's 13 letters, we gain 8 points. So it will be 7 plus 8, but thankfully they didn't just guess saying that they would get blue, so they did not gain any bonus points. And 8 plus 7 would equal 15. 15 points. Okay, so they would have beat me because I chose X-ray, which gave me 9 points, and they chose zombification, which gives them 15 points. This, if I were to turn it around, that would just make a timer for when I'm playing the game if I'm always taking a long time. So you could just make that sit there while you're trying to figure out green. There's a lot of letters for green. What letter would I use? Hurricane, maybe that. Furious. Intelligent. Magnificent. Words like that, trying to figure out which word is the longest and if the letter would give you more points. So, with all that said, that's how you play Build and Spell. Bye!